We've got our queen-sized sheet in here, ready to wash. We are going to close the lid, and we are going to come up to the top of our Costway twin tub washing machine. I had a load already going. It was just a piece for my mop. I wanted to wash the head of it, so that just finished. So I'm going to show you how I wash my queen size sheet for my bed. So here we go to the wash time, and I'm going to put it on for 15 minutes. We're going to let that spin around for a while, and I'm going to explain to you how this washing machine works. So over here is the spin cycle, so you can turn it all the way up to 5 minutes. Mine's 3 years old. I'm doing a 3-year review on this washing machine. It works great. I do have a bit of a crack in mine here, but that happened about a year ago, and it doesn't hurt the machine. The water doesn't come out of it or anything. Mine's a bit dirty because I've had it for 3 years, and it does need to wash because I've used it quite a bit this week. So here's a water inlet hose that can go here and over here. I could fill it up the way I showed you, or we could fill it up with a hose, and it comes through here, and the water would go through there. The blue thing I have in there is so that it can catch hair and dirt and dust, like anything like that. I just had mine a couple loads go through, so I could show you guys how much it really does work. And then also back there, you can kind of see the top of it. Once you pull that out, it does the same thing, and you can clean it out, and it works great as well. It catches lots as well. What I also do to catch anything that does go through my machine, so it doesn't go into my drains and clogs everything, I use one of these, and it works amazing. It catches anything else that does go through it, because one issue I have with my washing machine is the hoses. My hose ended up getting a cut in it, like a slit, and so I had to take it off, and it's supposed to go here, and it hooks up into the bottom of the machine, and then you can drain your water out of here and out of here. So, but I just let mine come out, and it all comes to the bottom. It goes through here and goes into my drain. So that's why I have that there, to collect any extra hair and dirt, whatever gets through. So if you have a child and they were to open this, it stops immediately. And then once you close it again, it continues. Some people say they have an issue where it doesn't stop. Sometimes I find if it's been going and going and going, you've done a few loads and it's prime, it will have a hard time stopping for about a minute if it's full or something. But usually I don't let it get too full, so I don't have that issue. It continues without any issues. It's actually a quiet machine. I have my phone pretty close to it. For the most part, if I have the bathroom door shut, I can't hear my machine at all. Also, in the background, I have a portable Panda dryer as well. I'll come over here and I'll show you that. I have a bunch of clothes on it at the moment, so I'm just doing laundry. And I just turn the phone this way so we can see it a little better. And mine's 3 years old as well, so mine's a little scratched up from moving. And the way I hook my dryer up is I hook this into the back of the dryer, and it goes into here, which actually inside is you fill with water. You just fill it up with some water, and these things work amazing. trying to show you. There we go. You don't need a whole lot of water. Anything will do. Mine's a little dirty. I have to clean it out as well. I've been doing a lot of laundry, like I said, this month. Yeah, and it works great and makes the whole entire bathroom, because I have a pretty big bathroom, it makes it smell amazing. So yeah, that is the Panda dryer as well. So I've tried multiple different hoses for my washer machine to see which ones could work the best. This is the actual one for the inlet and outlet. I will show you over here. These actually go on here. And then that's where you would hook up to your tap, which I can, but I just need to get a little clamp and clamp it. Oops, I have some fuzzies on my fingers. So yeah, I just have to have a clamp and it would work totally fine. But I just don't bother because I have my head of my shower that I just use, like I had showed in the beginning of the video. So I find that works just fine for me. So all the hoses I had shown you, they actually work for this washing machine, for the underneath. I can use any one of those hoses and I can hook it up. You guys can see through here. It's a little dirty. I'm sorry, guys. Hook it up through there and up into the machine, and so that I can actually drain the water out those if I want. If I'm in like a trailer or a smaller apartment or anything like that. So these ones, just to show you guys if you ever need other hoses, these are the ones that I have bought in different places. I can't say. I know I bought at least one at Canadian Tire, and I believe it was this one. And this one has, you can cut it down. And then the side I did cut because I need it to be different than that side. So, I'm just letting my cat in, guys, sorry. So this side also, this one comes apart. On one end. One of them anyways. I'm not sure which one at the moment. Oh, there we go. Figured it out. So this can go on one side and that can leak it out. So I believe this is the side that would go up into my machine. And then that would be the drain hose. And I have used this multiple times. It works great. This one here is a bit of like a rubber. This one works just as fine, just as well. And then this one also has where I just folded it over for mine because that's all I needed for it. So I just have it like rolled over instead of cutting it off. This one I couldn't just roll over because it's harder plastic. That one's like a rubbery plastic. And that one's like a softer kind of rubbery plastic. And then this one's a hard. It's actually pretty hard. So yeah, it works good. This one, I have to put my wash machine on something because it's kind of long and I need the top part for the hose to go up into my wash machine, so that I just have to put it on something so that the wash machine can drain out. But I don't have to use that one. I use that one once in a while if I need to. If I'm at like my trailer or if I'm camping, I just put it up onto like buckets or something, chairs. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, so let's get back to the washing machine. Yeah, so it is 3 years old. It is in a little bit of rough shape now because it is 3 years old, but I highly recommend this washing machine. Once this one is like old and it can't run no more, I'm going to be buying another one. That's how much I love these washing machines. So this one will probably be going to my trailer soon because it's the oldest one, and I would probably be buying another version of this, maybe a bigger sized one, but the exact same version, like the exact same idea. I love these washing machines. Any style, they are amazing, but this one in particular, I love. This is the 17.5 pound. And it was bought on Amazon for $230, and that was 3 years ago. So I have used my money out of this washing machine all through COVID. I bought it during COVID because I didn't want to go to the laundromats all the time, and with sick people, and half the time they weren't even open. So I bought this, and it's literally done wonders. I am washing a queen size sheet in there right now off my bed with no issue. Like I could even put one, like my top sheet on in here if I wanted to. I'd only have to fill it up like a little bit more, and it would be perfect for my top sheet as well. They both could go in there. I just wanted to show you guys the idea that you really can wash your linens. And also my son has a child's Walmart blanket that it's like a not a throw blanket, but it's one they can put on their bed for winter, and it fits perfectly in here. Like it's full, but it works, like no issue. I'll have to video that for you guys sometime as well, so you can see that one too. So, but yeah, let's let this finish up. It still has about four-ish minutes to go, and then I will put it into the spin dryer, and I can show you guys how dry it comes out. So I went and got the blanket to show you guys, the one that I wash in here for my son all the time, that's on his bed. And it's a Walmart one, nothing too fancy. I think it's like $30, $20-$30 for these at Walmart. They come in different colors, like pink and purple. There's a different color blue, it's dark blue. There's different greens and stuff like that, but it's the two colored ones. On the inside's one color and the outside's another. So yeah, just a child's Walmart blanket. Literally, I washed this in here yesterday. So yeah. Oh, I got a little damp. Gotta take it off there. But yeah, this blanket, literally, I wash in here with no issue. We just have a few minutes left here. Just gonna let it run here. Actually, I have a son who is 10 years old. He'll be 11 coming this month of October. He actually does his own laundry in this washing machine. He just comes and throws it in, fills it full of water, turns it on to 15 minutes, puts the little knob, the spin knob, that you can turn it on to normal, or you can put it on to soft for your linens. Usually I do, but I won't. But this is a bit bigger, so I wanted it to get a nice clean. And then drain. And then you can drain the water out of both if you want. And we'll also show you that, how well it actually drains as well. Like, this is how well this machine works after 3 years. Oh, it just finished. So that is our queen-sized purple sheet in there. And we're gonna put it on over into the spin cycle. So this, actually, I use it to push down items sometimes if I need to, but it also keeps everything from being unbalanced and stays in there very well. So some people, they like to squeeze out the water, but because I only have one hand that I'm using right now, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys that it's just going over there, and it's going in soaking wet, so that's even better, so that you guys can see how well this machine actually works. Like, it's soaking wet right now. I'm not even like draining any of the big chunks of water out. It's all coming in. Okay, and a lot of people like to use this thing to push it down as well, and it does really good. Amazing. You could add another whole sheet in there. So this, see how much it holds? That's from a couple loads I've done. That's how much more it catches in this machine. And you can also clean that out. I will as soon as I'm done this cycle here. And that's how much that has caught in 3 loads. Okay, so now we're gonna close that. Close that. We're gonna close our lid. We're gonna come over to our spin cycle. My hand's a little wet. That's okay. We're gonna put it on to 5 minutes. I like to hold mine for a moment because I have it on something. And away it goes. But if I wanted to open it, or if a child came over here to open it, that instantly just stopped. That still goes, but that stopped. And watch how quick it goes. See? Sometimes it takes it a moment. And that's what I meant by some people think it doesn't work. Away it goes. We're just going to put it back on 5 because we were messing with it for a moment. And we will see it in the next 5 minutes when it's done. We just have under 2 minutes to go. It's been really going. Just about done, guys. And there it goes. Did you hear the click? That is how you know it is done. The 5 minutes. Mine really needs a cleaning. I apologize. It really does. I will probably do that after this video. Now that I've seen how dirty it is. Alright. Watch this after 5 minutes. Sorry, I'm trying to show you guys how dry it really is. It's like a damn dry. How cool is that, guys? That is so awesomely dry that it'll probably take 20 minutes, if that, in this dryer. I'm excited, guys. Sorry about all the extra stuff around. I have to do some cleaning as well today. I just wanted to show you guys how cool this washer and dryer really are. And that if you're in a small space, then this is the way to go. Well, thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope I didn't take too much of your time. If you have any questions, just leave it in the bottom. And if you liked it, well, let me know. Thanks, guys.